Well, hello there, my fellow humanoids and clever bunnies. Welcome to this procrastination session. Question is, God damn it, in the middle of it. They're right here, Mama. Behind, that's no good. This. Explosive armor. I'm all alone, man. I am. Mama? Am I running? Yeah, just a little bit. Oh my god, yeah, now I'm... Scouted all the time. Can't remember if I'm still using this crap. Let's just get that over with. Oh. Hey. Slide around. So yeah, we need to get rid of that drone or whatever that we're gonna call that.
650 Meter! Flieger! 2 Uhr! Flieger! 2 Uhr! Flieger! 2 Uhr! Flieger! 2 Uhr! The enemy is winning. We must counterattack. Flieger alarm! Ziel beschädigt! Flieger! 12 Uhr! Ziel zerstört!
Okay, we got that one. It's definitely somebody we want to get our filthy hands on. Yes. Our lunch. We are going. Sorry for the language. Bastard. Is that the burning myself? We are going to put it this way.
T-72, 2 Uhr. Ablein der Luft. Panzer, 9 Uhr. Entfernung, 800
got where are they at? Here. Bastard. Okay, I lost my drone. Okay. We better get some. Okay, where are they at? They are there. Thank you. Come again. Ah, shortcuts. Where are they at? They are very eager to bump me, huh? Incredible. So intense I did really forget to speak even, huh? Anyways, where was I at? My fellow humanoids and procrastinators. Clever bunnies, that is. We are of course working towards uninstalling this game. And that is at I think it will be at this level. When I reach this, it is a TSLM. Yeah. So, anyways, what the hell is new here in southern Denmark? Nothing much. Nothing much really. Life is still chaotic. Especially work life. Well, when you used to work for yourself and now you're working for somebody else, that is quite challenging. It has been challenging the couple of last years, but especially now. Especially now, yeah. But what? I only got 158 subscribers. That's probably due to my AI slob. So like somebody likes to call it. But, well, I think AI is just as accurate in information as any socialist. Or perhaps even better. Do-do-do-do. 30 seconds normal. Of course, every time I should look. I think I am close to having the drone in Radkampwagen. So I hope we are at sea.
Aufsichtern, unser Feindkontakt! Klarmachen zum Gefecht! Kraftfahrer bereit! Lichtschütze bereit! Ladeschütze bereit!
This is good speed.
Panzer, 11 Uhr. Entfernung, 850 Meter. Schützenpanzer, 10 Uhr. Entfernung, 300 Meter. Panzer, 9 Uhr. Entfernung, 600 Meter. Schützenpanzer, 10 Uhr. Im Nahbereich. Attention to the designated grid square.
That'll give me a couple of points.
Panzer, 9 Uhr. Entfernung, 1800 Meter. Our forces have captured the zone. Enemy forces have captured the zone. Attention to the designated grid square. Leopard, 12 Uhr. Entfernung, 500 Meter. Luftverkehr zum Discussion. Away. Panzer, 3 Uhr. Entfernung, 400 Meter. Leopard, 2 Uhr. Entfernung, 300 Meter. Leopard, 2 Uhr. Im Nahbereich. Leopard, 2 Uhr. Da. Ziel, 2 Uhr. T-80, 4 Uhr. Entfernung, 350 Meter. Attention to the map. Attention to the map. T-80, 1 Uhr. Entfernung, 300 Meter.
T-80, full of explosive armor. And is that bugger coming from me? No.
Leopard, 12 Uhr. Entfernung, 400 Meter. Attention to the map. Attention to the designated grid square. Need backup. Leopard, 12 Uhr. Entfernung, 400 Meter. Allied forces have captured a zone. Attention to the designated grid zone.
Okay, I lost. So we should actually rush that. So where is my other guy here, the T-80? Ah, Puma. That is high level. Am I up tiered or what? I thought he was on. I just which one then? We need to level these bastards, so okay. A little bit rough here, huh? Again, this has a complete shopping basket in the back. So let's go up here and check if we can see what's going on. Any red stuff? Oh, what the? Oh, lucky me. We definitely do not want to be first into this area. Let's see if we, no. That is a big no-no. There it is. I'm going to get sniped when there is a drone. Yeah. Oh my. Yeah, and everybody can see me. Oh, he's right on my goddamn ass. Yeah, you know what? Stupid new BMPT, the Terminator, practically impossible to kill. So let's take the Leopard.
The Allied forces have captured a zone. T-72, 10 Uhr, Entfernung 800 Meter, Landpanzer, 11 Uhr, Entfernung 1100 Meter. Attention to the designated grid square. T-72, 1 Uhr, Entfernung 800 Meter.
What's that? Can see the T something? T-72?
Liga, 12 Uhr, Entfernung 1600 Meter.
I thought I saw something. But we'll stick our heads out here. Yeah. You see it coming. No, it's not for me. Oh my god.
Let's keep the pressure on. Victory is close. Attention to the map. Attention to the map.
What did this shoot with? It has almost been constant losses today. Also feeling a little bit under the weather. And yes, what the hell is it? I bought myself a space mouse now. Not for gaming, of course. That's for my fusion drawing and cat shit. It's unbelievable. It has changed the workflow a little bit. Not a little bit. Quite a lot, actually. 71, then 122.6. I don't think that's gonna change anything. I need much more than that. Crew level above 100, yeah. It just shows you that it doesn't mean shit when you're stupid. Hate this map. Cannot deselect it anymore since I'm not premium. Just go in and die fast 3 times. At least we got a is that a Terminator? Can see PM. Oh my god, PMP, yeah. eyesight is, oh my god, I'm getting really old. I just need one of these one of these I can't remember the English word for it. Oh my god. So their attack was almost eliminated. Just scout here. Yeah, I am attentioning. I should be like proactive like that dude and try to get yourself on. Look at that. Yeah, that's what I tell you. Absolutely no chance against that.
Attention to the map. Attention to the designated grid zone.
So we are going back to our trusty big light Panzer to scout a bit. And we got do we got the aircraft coming in? No.
On me.
So we need to move out somewhere. There it was.
Attention to the map.
Oh, that was for my drone. Did you see that missile? Of course it was for my drone. Bastards. Okay, we will be ready for that. There it is. Come on, he's shooting. 250 is the magic number. Bastards shut down my drone. Somebody shot my body. There it is. is he coming from? He is coming from there.
Hubschrauber! 2 Uhr!
Let's keep the pressure on. Victory is close.
Is he shooting at me?
Kraftfahrer, vorwärts, Marsch! Festhalten! Ziel getroffen! Panzer! 1 Uhr! Entfernung! 450 Meter! Panzergranate laden!
Yes. Oh.
Artillerieschlag auf Koordinaten. Echo 4. Wiederhalten. Echo 4. Bestätige Koordinaten. Aufgepasst. Abgefeuert. Artillerieschlag in diesem Sektor. Verstanden. Im Ziel. Abgefeuert. Artillerieschlag auf Koordinaten. Delta 4. Sturm. Delta 4. Bestätige Koordinaten. Abgefeuert. Abgefeuert.
Oh my god, don't go in there, man.
Ziel 12 Uhr.
Aye!
350 Meter.
Allied forces have captured the zone. Keep it up and victory will be ours.
Artillerieschlag auf Koordinaten.
Okay, that was hectic. What's the time? Oh, watch is all burnt out. And no more batteries. So, I think we're gonna be. Oh, look at that. Miles away. How did I do? 10-3. 10-3. 10-7. Mediocre. Oh, look at that. Finally. Then what? Should we try that? Never had that. No. Anyways, that was the fun for the day. Let's have fun later again.